Hello fitness enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the features of the KeppiFitness Recumbent Exercise Bike. A top choice for adults and seniors seeking a low-impact workout with its 8 levels of magnetic resistance that ensure a quieter exercise experience thanks to its dual reluctance system. This bike is designed with a stepless sliding mechanism for quick seat adjustments, allowing you to modify your workout position without interruption. And it boasts a robust 380-pound weight capacity, thanks to its unique patented frame technology that enhances both safety and stability. The bike's LED electronic display keeps your workout data clear and easy to read, helping you track your progress effortlessly, while the pulse sensor allows you to monitor your heart rate, enabling you to adjust exercise intensity in real time for improved cardiorespiratory endurance. With non-slip pedals and adjustable foot straps, this bike offers maximum foot support and excellent handling for a safer, smoother workout experience. The comfort seat cushion, crafted with high-density foam, is perfect for physical therapy and rehabilitation training, making it an ideal choice for seniors. Plus, with 5 years of product support, the KeppiFitness Recumbent Bike ensures a worry-free fitness journey, backed by a dedicated team ready to assist with any questions or concerns. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.